Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I will introduce you with the IELTS examination. IELTS examination is designed to help you to work, study or migrate to a country where English is the native language. The full form of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. The full form itself shows that this test is basically the test of proficiency of English language. For this test, the knowledge of English is must and the understanding also plays a very important role. When we talk about IELTS, there is a university named Cambridge University which is the owner of IELTS examination, and this university is responsible for setting up the question paper. Now when we talk about setting up the question paper, the common question arises among the student is that through which we should fill the examination, through BCD or through IDP. So when we talk about exam conducting bodies, there are two exam conducting bodies. One is British Council Division, that is commonly known as BCD or BC, which is UK based, whereas the other one is IDP, that is International Development Programme, which is Australia based. These two are the exam conducting bodies. Students usually have this myth that one of them is easier while the other one is difficult. It is completely a myth. It is purely a myth because these two are the just exam conducting bodies. They work as like any school or college which is working in India and is affiliated to any university. Like we can talk about CBSE, which sets the question paper. Same work is done by Cambridge, which is setting up the question paper. So difficulty level will depend upon the university itself. It will not depend upon BCD or IDP. The duration of the examination is 2 hours and 45 minutes. When we talk about IELTS, there are 4 modules in this examination, that is writing, reading, listening and speaking. Writing, reading and listening are conducted on one day, whereas the speaking exam is either conducted before or after the exam of the other 3 modules. The speaking module is entirely a professional interview, which again consists of 3 parts, which we will discuss in some other tutorial. Today I would like to tell you that all of these modules weightage is 9 bands and the total is also calculated out of 9 bands. When we talk about IELTS, there are 2 types of IELTS. One is AC, that is academic. Though this exam is for those students who want to study or pursue their higher education in foreign countries, whereas the GT, that is general training, is for those people who are applying for work visa or PR. The main difference between academic and GT is that they have different reading and writing modules, whereas the other 2 modules, that is speaking and listening, remains common for both of them. That's it for today's video. I hope you have gained a little bit knowledge about the IELTS examination, and thank you so much.